Okay, we're replacing a MacBook screen today. This is the old screen. It got a crack in there. You can't see it, but here we go. Now listen me out. This is how many screws we have to pull to take this out. Are you counting? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Listen, man. I can't continue. It's too much. Who counting? Just keep counting. Yeah. Just keep counting. There's 3 screws behind that plastic tab. 1, 2, 3. That take the hinges off. Yeah. It's just, guys, you see when somebody charge you to do the work, just pay them. Those are screws. Screws goes in the back of those. You know how many screws there are? 40 screws. And they're all different. But anyway, the screen is replaced. Computer fix. Computer fix, guys. Yeah. Customer happy. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and you know the rest. I'm out.